Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll see about the expression transformation in Informatica. So expression transformation in Informatica is used to calculate the salaries of an employee, or maybe if you have just a first name and last name of an employee, then we just have to concat those two, first name and last name, to create a new field like a name column that will have the first name and the last name. So let's start with the power center thing. So this is the power center screen. So here we'll just import the source database table. So I'm just connecting to the Scott and giving the password, and after that I just go to the Scott and just pull out my table. So employee is my table. I just pull this information. So this is the metadata of my table, and now let's import the target. So my target here is a flat file. So my source is a Oracle table, and the target is a flat file. So I'll just whatever source metadata I add, I'm just importing the same in the target designer, so that I can just create the target metadata for that. So I just imported this here, and after that I'm just changing the database type for this, so that it's a flat file. So here by this I can just change the database type as a flat file, and in the advanced properties I can just set up the delimiter for the file, as well as the if codes or no codes I want, those details I can set up, and I will do the apply and OK it, and I will just change the target table name to employee underscore ff, that is a flat file, and I will just do save. After that, let's build to the mapping thing. So in the mapping, we'll just do is that we'll write a mapping naming convention for the mapping. We need to write is that m underscore is the naming convention. We follow it for the mapping thing, so that we can do. And I'm just writing employee source target expression transformation, and I'm just giving OK. And now I'm just importing my source here. So my source is been basically imported, and after that I will just take my out of my target. So I have my source and I have my target. Now let's basically bring in the expression transformation. So here we have this set of the expression transformation. So from here I just bring the expression transformation. I will just try to give the proper naming convention for the expression transformation. We start it like exp underscore or some business name or some meaningful explanation names we can give it. So here I'm just giving calculate total salary, so as my mapping is calculating the total salary, and I will just write a description about the thing, that what does my transformation does. So I'll just write expression transformation calculates the total salary of an employee. Okay. After doing that, I will just do OK, and I will just select all the ports from the source qualifier, and I will drop that ports to the expression transformation, and I will just double click this, and in here I will just write an expression for the total salary calculation. So the proper naming convention for creating any output port is O underscore we can write. So that is the proper way of creating any output port, and I will just select the data type that I want. So I will just select decimal, as my output is this thing, and I will not mark the input port as it does not have the input, but it is generated in the expression itself. So here I will write the expression. So expression I will write is that I have from here the ports. I can just select the different ports that I want in my expression, or I can manually type it also. So I will just write salary plus commission. But one thing we'll notice that we also have that for the sum of the employees, the salary is null in that case. So if we just add salary plus commission, that is null. So in that case it will fetch us the incorrect result. So that's why we are just validating if the commission is null, then make it 0, so that we don't get any error. Okay. So hence for this commission part, we are just writing an expression as follows. We'll just write an expression if commission is null. If is null of commission, then we'll just make it 0. Else whatever commission is there, we'll just put that. So effectively we are just adding the salary and commission, and in the commission we are just checking if it is null, then make it 0, else fetch the commission thing. Okay, after we do that, we'll just validate. So it's getting validated, and after that we'll just do OK. Apply, and I will just do OK. So in this way I was just completed with my expression transformation. So now let's link the ports. For linking the port, I will just auto link by name. I will do that, and from the source to target, from the expression transformation to target, I will just drag and drop the ports. So this is the mapping that has been created. Now I just want my total salary as a column in the target, so I'm just going to the target path. I'm again creating the total salary as my target in the metadata, and here I'm just selecting the data type and just created this port, and now you can see the port is available here. Now we'll just drag that total salary that we created in expression to this target port, and once we do, we'll just save this, and we see that the mapping is validated. So now let's generate a workflow from here. We'll just select the connections that we want. After that, we'll let it be the common definitions, and our workflow is generated in this case. Now let's go to the workflow designer, Now let's go to the workflow manager. Here we'll see the our workflow is basically created. Let's open the workflow and configure the other details of the workflow. The one thing that I will do is that stop on error, I'll make it as 1. So if any errors, that's so that the mapping should fail. And other thing I will do is that save the session by session timestamp. And then I will just do is that I will go to the source. The connection is already configured. Here I will just give the schema name. The schema name is my Scott, so I will just give that. And the table name I will give it is employee. And in the target, I will just set up my target as header options. I just want header, so I will just select header. So output field names that I will select, and then I will just it will be generated in the target file directory, and I will just give the name that I want for my file, target file. So this is the name that I have given, emptgt.csv. After that, I will just do apply, OK, save this, and run this. Do start workflow. Once we do that, it will start running in the monitor. You can just see the progress, and here we see that the 14 records are loaded from the source to target in this case. So now let's go to the target path and see if the file is generated. So on the refreshing here, we see that the file is been generated here. So let's open the file in Notepad++. So this is the file, and we can see that the total salary column is generated. So here for this say 800, and the commission was null, so the total salary is 800. So similarly for the second option, we have the 1600 plus 300 is 1900, and for the last one also we have the same way. So this is all about the expression transformation thing. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and please like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.